Hello everybody and welcome back to Columbus Aviation. Here we've got a little bit of different type of video, but I'm going to try to normalize this as I've got plenty of models and, it's a model review. So we're starting off with a brand new one right here. Really old release, I believe it's a 2012 release. So, seem to have misplaced my scissors. I'm actually blind. Okay, come. Alright, here we go. So let's hop into this. This is a Skybus Airlines A319, and it's in the Capital One special livery. Skybus is actually a really cool airline because it was an ultra low cost based in my hometown, Columbus, and then they ended up shutting down after only like 10 months of service. And it's, kind of unfortunate, but they also had some quite interesting practices, so it makes sense. Anyways, we've got a lot of packing peanuts here, so I'm going to dump those onto my floor, and we'll worry about those later. Ooh, I'm liking this box. Alright. Oh my god, should've done that. Alright, so here we have the box. It's, Gemini Jet Select. That's interesting. A little dusty on the top here. But it's got the tail section of the A319 that we're going to be reviewing, and it's got the, all of the details, and then the Airbus logo and the Skybus logo. Here on the side. Here on the side, you've got, regular sides. No flap, because this is, a 2008 copyright, but I believe it's a 2012 release. On the box it says here 500 piece limited edition, which is quite interesting. So let's crack this open. My fingers will walk. Alright, so in here, kind of an older box design. You can see the plane, and then the box is open, obviously. So let's pull this down and out.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so I am back after like 5 minutes of fighting with the box, and I still don't even have it all the way apart. But I managed to get the aircraft out, which is what matters right now. I'll get the rest done later. It's a very nice model, especially for how old it is. Alright, so here I am. I switched out my camera for my phone camera because it's just focusing more easily. So yeah. So up front you can see the nose section and cockpit windows and the L1 door for the plane, along with those, I don't really know what they are, like the pig graphics for the Capital One. I don't know, this is an older, older model and older aircraft. So, and then on the engine you can see Skybus titles. And you even have the, let's see if I can focus that. The, the little Skybus butterfly logo. I'll pop that up on screen. On the fence tip. And then you've got, Capital One titles in the back. And the registration, Airbus A319. Cool American flag. And the Capital One logo. Then you've got your stabilizer. And on the tail section, you've got your Skybus butterfly logo and Skybus text, sorry. Kind of reminds me of Orbit Airlines, actually, funnily enough. And then whoa, it's a little bit tail heavy, actually. It's perfect condition, though, for such an old model. It's very tail heavy. There we go. And then on the right side, we've got R1 door, baggage doors, same Skybus titles on the engine, same thing for the tip, the wing fence, and then the same logos and stuff for the back, along with the aft cargo door and R2 door. So that's just about it for this model. Not much to talk about other than the fact that it's a really cool model and quite rare, actually. And I was able to find this on eBay for like $27 with free shipping. So it was very economical purchase. You know, very very nice, and it benefits the collection a lot, as well as it's very cool to have, as I'm from Columbus, and you know, Columbus, this was a Columbus-based airline. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to check out my model airport subscriber forum, and please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much, and have a good day.